X they give, X means random variable, P of X means its probability. Of probability distribution cannot be more than 1. Sum of the probabilities in probability distribution should give you 1. Yes, X is a random variable. X means random variable, P of X means its probability. Table containing X and P of X is called as probability distribution. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll go ahead with the problems of probability exercise 13.4. State which of the following are not probability distributions of random variable and give reason for your answer. X they give, X means random variable, P of X means its probability. First question, X 0, 1, 2, P of X 0.4, 0.4, 0.2. Similarly, second question is also given. So, first question, see 0, 1, 2 are possible values for random variable. This is possible, but when you take the probabilities, when you add probability, some of the probabilities of probability distribution cannot be more than 1. So now I'll do sigma px. Sigma p of x, if I do, I'll get 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2 should give you exactly 1. So 0.4 plus 0.4, 0.8, 0.8 plus 0.2 is 1. So this is possible. So they are asking which of the following are not. First one is a probability distribution. This is a probability distribution. Second one, x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 random variable values possible, and p of x 0.1, 0.5, 0.2 minus 0.1 they gave. So dear students, please observe this observation. Probability they give negative. Probability cannot be negative. Probability value should lie between 0 and 1. Probability cannot be more than 1. Probability cannot be less than 0, and it cannot be negative. So therefore second one is not a probability distribution. Is not a probability distribution. We can say this is not a probability distribution. Reason for this is since probability of 3 they give negative, and probability p cannot be, probability of xi can't be negative, or it should be, or since it should be what, greater than or equal to 0 and lies between, or we say p of xi should lie between what, 0 and 1. It cannot be more than 1, it cannot be less than 0, but here it is less than 0. So that is the reason. Reason is what, since this is negative, that is the reason. Next, random variable value they give -1, 0, 1, and p of y they give 0.6, 0.1, 0.2. If you add all the probabilities, 0.6 plus 0.1, 0.7, 0.7 plus 0.2, 0.9. Some of the probabilities in probability distribution should give you 1, but here it is not giving you 1. Sigma p of y, if you do 0.6 plus 0.1 plus 0.2, so that will give you 0.7 plus 0.2, 0.9, which is not equal to 1. So therefore third one is not a probability distribution. Not a probability distribution. Probability distribution means what, sum of the probability should be 1. So when I add, I am not getting 1, I am getting 0.9. So that is the reason. Since sum is not equal to 1, that is the reason. Next one, z is the random variable. They give 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. P of z they give 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, 0.1, 0.05. Now if I add all the probabilities, I should get 1. If I don't get 1, then it is not probability distribution. So now sigma p of z, some of the probabilities will do, that is 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.05. If I do this, I'll get 0.3 plus 0.2 is 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.4 is 0.9, 0.9 plus 0.1 is 1, 1.05 I'll get, which is not equal to 1. So therefore question 4th is not a probability distribution, this is not a probability distribution. Why it is not probability distribution? Because in probability distribution, sum of all the probabilities should be 1, but here it is more than 1. It cannot be less than or equal, less than 1 or more than 1. It should be equal to 1. Sum of the probability is not 1, so that's why it is not probability distribution. Now reasons. See, x means random variable. What we call x as random variable. And the table containing x and p of x, this table is called as probability distribution. X will have values x1, x2, x3, so on xn, and this will have probability values p of x1, p of x2, so on. So now this is called as probability distribution table. So in probability distribution, sum of the probability sigma p of x should be exactly 1, and p of x, so probability should lie between 0 and 1, means probability of each case xi, p of x1, p of x2, p of x3, every value should lie between 0 and 1, means probability cannot be negative, and sum of the probability should be exactly what? 1. Then we say probability distribution. That is the criteria we use to solve this. So now we'll go to the next question. An urn contains 5 red and 2 black balls. So 5 red are there, 2 black balls are there. 2 balls are drawn at random. You are taking 2 balls. So they told there is an urn. In that urn we have 5 red balls and 2 black balls, and x represents number of black balls. X means number of balls, black balls. Random variable they told. What is x given? X is number of black balls. Now what are the possible values of x? What are the possible values of x, they are asking you. And is x a random variable? So x possible values are, so you are drawing how many balls? 2 balls you are drawing. So in 2 balls, both if you draw red, number of black balls may be 0. Or if you draw 1 red ball and 1 black ball, number of black balls is 1. And or if you draw both the black balls, because 2 black balls are there, 2. So what are the possible values of x? X may be 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'll write it in set. Set x 0, 1, 2. These are the possible values. Means in 0 black balls, because when you draw 2 balls, if you draw both red, 0 black balls, or any 1 red and 1 black you can draw, or both black you can draw. So 0, 1, 2 are the values. Then what are the possible, and is x a random variable? Yes, x is a random variable. Why x is a random variable? Because we took all the possible number values here. Now answer for this is what? Yes. X represents difference between number of heads and number of tails obtained when a coin is tossed 6 times. You are tossing 6 times the coin, and what are the possible values of x? X means number of heads minus number of tails. Heads minus tails. Difference between the number of heads and number of tails. Number of heads and number of tails. See, if you get all heads and 1 tail, all heads and 0 tails, so you may get 6 heads and 0 tails. 6 minus 0 is, say, first you may get number of heads and tails, you may get 6 heads and then 0 tails. 6 minus 0 is 6. Or you may get 5 heads and 1 tail. 5 minus 1 is 5 heads you may get, and any 1 tail you may get, then it is 4. Or you may get 4 heads and 2 tails, that is 2. Or you may get 3 heads and 3 tails, then it is 0. Or you may get 2 heads and 3 tails, sorry, 2 heads and 4 tails, that is minus 2. Or you may get 1 head and 5 tails, minus 3. Then or you may get 0 heads and all 6 tails, then minus 6. So the possible values, difference between the number of heads and tails, so we'll take modulus. All the possibilities, if I take modulus, always I'll get positive. So that's why number of, you may get 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, or I'll write them in the order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the possible differences. You may get 6 heads and 0 tails you may get. because you are tossing only 6 times. All 6 heads and 0 tails, or 5 heads and 1 tail, or 4 heads and 2 tails, or 3 heads 3 tails. So if you take all the differences, these are the possibilities. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Difference means modulus of this. Then find the probability distribution. They wanted to find the probability distribution of number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. Number of heads in 2 tosses of coin, number of tails in 2 simultaneous tosses of 3 coins, number of heads in 4 tosses. So first part we'll do number of heads in 2 tosses. Number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. In 2 tosses. X you may get in 2 tosses. So first write sample space. What is the sample space? When you toss 2 times head you may get head tail, you may get tail head, you may get, or tail tail you may get. So X you may get 0 heads like tail tail, or you may get any 1 head, or you may get 2 heads. That's it. So probability distribution means table containing X and probability of X. So X means random variable. Random variable is number of heads they told. Number of heads is random variable. So what are the random variable values? 0 heads or any 1 head or 2 heads. So now probability of 0 heads. P of 0 means probability of 0 heads. So 0 heads means this is a output, one output out of 4, 1 by 4. Probability of 1 head. Probability of 1 means probability of 1 head. So here you have 1 head, here you have 1 head. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4 is 1 by 2. And probability of 2 heads. So 2 head output we have 1 out of 4, 1 by 4. So now if you add 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, you will get 1. This is the probability distribution for number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. So now for first question I have done. So now number of tails simultaneous of 3 coins. Number of heads in simultaneous of 3 coins. Now we'll go to the next question. Number of tails, second part, that is in 3 tosses. Sample spaces, you may get all 3 heads or any 1 tail. First one may be tail, or last one may be tail, or middle one may be tail, or 2 tails, H tail tail, or tail head, or tail head tail, or you may get all 3 tails. Now number of tails in 3 tosses I wrote. X is what? Number of random variable. Number of tails, you may get 0 tail, or you may get 1 tail, or you may get 2 tails, or you may get all 3 tails. So now random variable and P of X, the table containing X and P of X is called as probability distribution. So now we'll do probability distribution. What are the X values we have? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is P of X? 0 heads. 0 heads, sorry, 0 tails, number of tails. 0 tails means this is an output, 1 out of 8. And 1 tail. 1 tail means 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 8. 2 tails means 1, 2, 3 out of 8. And 3 tails only 1 by 8. So if you add 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 8 is 1. So this is the probability distribution for number of tails. So number of tails in 3 tosses. You may get 0 tails, or 1 tail, or 2 tails, or all 3 tails. So for that you draw a table containing X and P of X. X means random variable, P of X means its probability. Table containing X and P of X is called as probability distribution. Then number of heads in 4 tosses of a coin. So in 4 tosses of a coin, sample space contains 4 tosses, head, like that. 16 you should write. And X and P of X. X is what? 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, or 4 heads. And P of X, 0 heads means all tails, 1 out of 16. You get 16 outputs. And now I hope I can conclude this, because first and second I have done same technique you use and complete this. So probability distribution means what? Table containing X and P of X. Sit and complete this. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Continue with the problems of probability distribution. Thank you.